Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off the passcode on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. You will be asked to enter your current passcode. Go ahead and type it in. Once you're inside, scroll all the way down and select Turn Passcode Off. If this option is not available, make sure to remove any Face ID that's been set up before trying again. A confirmation message will appear, tap Turn Off, and then enter your Apple ID password to confirm. After that, enter your current passcode one more time. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off the passcode on your iPhone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.